welcome to our Airbnb, our houseboat. This right here is our relaxing room. Then downstairs, you can't help but notice our wonderful living room, kitchen, and dining room. And we come over upstairs. Kitchen, dining room, and the rest is our beautiful living room. This is the restroom. Fancy. This right here is me and my brother's room.
Separate beds.
We will be sleeping. There's a really cool boat up there as well. Daddy, this is the lounge. There are heaters, towels, and such a big bed, but it is for my mom and my dad.